So hi children, now we'll start our 6th unit in our English. So that is Damon and Pythias. So this lesson is about friendship. The two persons called Damon and Pythias. They are Greek soldiers. So they name as Damon and Pythias. In this lesson we have 4 characters. We have 6 characters, sorry. First is Damon, second is Pythias, and third is Dionysius. So these are the characters in the lesson: Damon, Pythias, Dionysius, Soldier 1, Soldier 2 and narrator. So going through lesson, you just say what is friendship. You don't know what is the meaning of friendship? In your class you will be having one best friend, right? You will be sharing your pencil, erasers, your books and your colors. For these, look at this picture. These are some signs of friendship. Holding the hands, exchanging friendship cards, tying friendship bands. Now friendship day is also coming, right? So you will be celebrating friendship day with your friends. So these are some signs of friendship. Before this, not only this, whatever you know, what signs, not beyond this, you just write the signs what you do in your friendship. Now going through lesson, friendship is a relationship between two people who like each other. This is a story of two friends, Damon and Pythias. They were ready to die for each other. Whoa, so what Damon and Pythias, they were ready to die in their friendship. So I have written here, these are the characters, and this two men was a good friends. These two, Damon and Pythias, these two were soldiers and these two were good friends. And Dionysius, he was the ruler. He was the ruler of Syracuse. Syracuse means it's a kingdom. It's a name of kingdom. So coming to the lesson, many years ago, two friends lived in the city of Syracuse. They were Damon and Pythias. They were best friends. The ruler of Syracuse, named Dionysius, was a cruel man. He was very demanding person. So people had to face many hardships. Dionysius has a large and strong army. He used the soldiers as spies. They went around like listening to what people said about the king. Then they told the king all they heard. One day a soldier heard Pythias talking about the king. So what this king was doing, he sent the soldiers for listening people, what people are thinking about that person. This person, Dionysius, he was a cruel man, right? So one day this Pythias was talking about king. Soldier 1, this is one of the characters, Soldier 1. What he is saying: you there, how dare you speak bad words about your king? What's your name? So what soldier is saying? How dare you to speak bad words about king? What's your name? Pythias: my name is Pythias and I speak the truth. What Pythias is saying? My name is Pythias, I speak the truth. So soldier 2, arrest him and take him to the king. So narrator, one of the character, narrator. Pythias was brought before the king Dionysius. He stood there broadly and showed no fear at all. He was standing in front of the king. So without any fear, he's standing near the king. So Dionysius: my soldiers tell me that you do not like my laws. Is that true? What Dionysus is saying? My soldiers tell me that what you do like my laws. Is that true? Phidias, nobody in this country like your laws, but they are afraid to speak the truth. So Phidias, what he is saying? No one like your laws. They feel afraid to speak the truth. Dionysus, angrily, do you want me to believe that you are the only person in the city who is not afraid? What king is saying? Do I believe that you are only the person who will not afraid of me? Phidias, I don't know about that, your majesty. What I do know is that I speak the truth. Phidias is saying, I don't know what they will think, but I will speak the truth. So Dionysus, soldiers, throw this man into prison at once. He thinks he is going to tell me how to rule my country. When the sun shines on the 10th day from today, this man will be hanged. Let this be a lesson for anyone who tries to tell me how to rule. So what the king said to the soldiers? Throw him in the prison. After 10 days, hang him, and by this I will teach a lesson to anyone who tries to how to make me rule my kingdom. So narrator is saying, the soldier tied Phidias' hands and took him to prison. In the meanwhile, Damon was looking for his friend. When he heard that Phidias was in prison, he went rushing to see him. After a long time, the prison guard agreed to let him meet Phidias. So the soldiers tied Phidias in the prison. So while hearing that, Damon was looking for his friend. So after hearing that, Damon went rushing to the prison guard, so to meet the Phidias. So Damon, my dear Phidias, I am sad to see you like this. What can I do? How can I get you out of here? What Damon is saying? I am very sad to see like this. So Phidias, I have spoken the truth. I am ready to die for it. God knows that I have not done any wrong. Phidias is saying, I just spoke a truth, so I am ready to die for it. God knows what is wrong and what is right. So Phidias is saying, so Damon, I am proud of you, Phidias. Tell me please, how can I help you? Damon is saying that I am very proud of you. Just say me, how can I help you? Phidias, please look after my mother and my sister after I die. Damon, don't worry, I will look after them well, but you must see them once before you die. Phidias, how is it possible? They live a long way away. Dionysus will never let me go. Damon, we will tell him that I will take your place. If you do not return in time, he can kill me in your place. So what Damon is saying, I will tell him that I will take to your place. If you won't return, you can kill him in his place. The Phidias, shocked, no Damon, I can't let you do such a foolish thing. Narrator, his words were no use as Damon was already on his way to the king. So he didn't listen Phidias. Damon was in his way to the king. So Damon, Your Majesty, I have come to request you to permit Phidias to go home to see his mother. This is his last wish. What Damon is saying, allow Phidias to go to his home to see his mother. This was his last wish. So Dionysus, how do I know he will return? Damon, Your Majesty, I will take his place. If something stops him from returning on time, I will die in his place. So what Damon is saying, if he won't return to our prison, so I will die in his place. Dionysus, foolish man, I don't think you know what you are saying. King is saying, you know what you are saying. Damon, but Your Majesty, I do. Phidias is my best friend. I know he will keep his word. So Damon is saying, Phidias is my best friend. He will keep his word. He will keep his promise. So Dionysus, I find this hard to believe. Let me see. If you really mean it, I will test you. I will let you exchange places. Theseus must be back by noon on the 10th day from today. If he does not return in time, then you will die in his place. So narrator, Damon then told Theseus to go home. Theseus was unhappy to leave his friend in prison. He hurried home so that he could come back in time. He made arrangements to take care of his mother and sister. Then he said to them sadly, he was unlucky. On the way, he had to cross a forest. Some robbers caught him. They stole all of his money and tied him to a tree. It took him a long time to free himself. He was very tired and weak with hunger. He still had a long way to go. Meanwhile, in the city, people are waiting for Theseus. The king went to visit Damon. So, what Theseus was saying to his family, to his mother and sister, there in a forest, they were caught by robbers and they tied to a tree. He was very tired and very weak with the hunger. So, till that time, all people were waiting for Theseus and king went to visit Damon. So, Dionysus, well, what do you have to say now? Where is your best friend? King is asking for Damon. Where is your best friend? Damon. There must be something wrong. I know Theseus is a true friend. Dionysus. You have only 2 hours left. If he does not return by then, you must die. What king is saying? You have only 2 hours of time. If he won't return in that time, you will be died. Damon. I will do it so happily, your majesty. What Damon is saying? I will die happily. So narrator. 2 hours passed by very quickly. Theseus did not come. The soldiers came to Damon. They took him to the place of hanging. So Theseus runningly he came. Stop! I am back. Some robbers caught me. Let me go. It is I that must die. Thank God, I am on time. So Theseus came runningly. He said, stop, I came. I just caught by a robbers. So narrator, everyone was quiet. They could not believe that these two friends are willing to die for each other. So the two friends was very willing to die for each other. Dionysus, today for the first time in my life, I have understood the meaning of real friendship. So what king is saying, today for the first time in my life, I have understood the meaning of real friendship. I have never seen such a friends. You are all ready to die for each other. I cannot kill such a friendship. I have decided to set both of you free. For that, narrator is saying the people cheer the king, and Damon and Theseus thanked God for a new life. So by seeing the two friendship, king was also very happy. He let the two friends free. So by this, what you have learned in this friendship, they can die for each other also. I hope you understand this lesson, and this notes I will be sending in the next class.